Hi, good morning, everybody. I'm going to get on today because we have an unboxing to do. A couple of weeks ago, I traded boxes with other subscription box owners, and we agreed that we would do video unboxing reviews for them in exchange. And so today I've got a box by Hippie Daisy, and I don't have any idea what's in it. You're gonna find out along with me. So let's get started. It comes in a great big box. Well, not great big, but it's definitely full. And it's got this pretty purple tissue paper and stickers. Let's see what all's in here. Oh my goodness. First thing, look at this. Some cool face masks. That's the first thing I pull out. That looks interesting. And then a really cool peace sign bracelet. Love that. I am not sure. I'm going to need some additional information. Maybe one of my viewers can help me out. I am not sure, but I will ask and figure this out. Let's see. Ooh, very cool. Earrings. Love those. I'm going to do some flat lay pictures of these too and attach them with my review, but those are gorgeous. And this is wrapped in bubble tape or bubble wrap. I should have figured this out earlier, but I didn't want to unwrap it. I wanted it all to be a surprise. So I'm going to figure this out with my handy dandy scissors and see what is in this. It looks like a mug. And I really have to remark about the packaging in this because it's all packaged so very well. I mean, the bubble wrap around this mug, somebody took a lot of time with this. I am betting the creator of this box really puts a lot of energy into all her packaging because it is very, very well done. If you like eclectic things, I mean, look at this. It's all wrapped up in this bubble tape. It needed to be cut out of the box, really. And then you've got a pool noodle padding the handle. I still need to cut it open and see what the design is on this mug. But I am a tea drinker, and I love mugs, so this is going to fit me really well. This is going to stay at the yarn shop because it is going to be my next favorite mug. Ooh, look at this. Hippie soul. Isn't that just the brightest, most colorful thing? I know we're going to put that to good use. And then she's got her contact information on this card and a code on the back for 10% off Etsy. So all of this comes together in a box, and I'm really sure that it's very well worth the money for all the things that are included. A mug, and earrings, and a bracelet, and a face mask. All really cool. Thank you so much. I had a great time doing a box exchange with you, and I will leave all the contact information in the information part down at the bottom. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.